What's up, everybody? This is David M., the Polish Potato. We have them. They have been just delivered, and I am so excited because the video featuring the AZ80 is still, after a year and a half, one of my most popular videos on this channel. You guys are still commenting it. You're still asking questions. It's still getting a lot of views, which means there is a lot of interest in the upper end of the mid-section of the consumer market for wireless earbuds. Here's the box without the outer wrapping. So let me unbox these officially on camera for the first time. Here we go. Let's get back into focus. This is what you are presented with when you open this box for the very first time. There's some neat instructions printed. Let's get back into focus right here that tell you to start with the app. Don't do anything else before you download the app. I already have the app already, so I'm going to take them out and I'm going to show you guys the difference between this case, charging case for the AZ100, and this charging case for the AZ80. So as you can see, they are very similar. This is AZ80, this is AZ100. It's a little slimmer. It's like a fourth of an inch slimmer, maybe even less. Other than that, it's a pretty similar looking case. So this is where we begin. And now here we are, the AZ100. I will take some detailed macro photos just in a moment, because a part of the whole debacle, the review process of the AZ80 was their build quality. That wasn't that wonderful. Someone pointed it out once. It never really bothered me. I don't think it affected the sound in any way. I still think these are one of my favorite sounding earbuds ever. But has that improved? This is one of my questions. So let's do this. Let me take the AZ80 out. I can already see that the design, the ergonomics have been definitely worked on, definitely redesigned, probably improved. Let me see if we can focus on this right now. This is the new AZ100. This is AZ80. I know this close-up won't give you the best idea of what the differences are. So let me take some macro photos and get back to you momentarily for more detailed comparison. Okay, guys, so what we see in these first macro photos is, first of all, there have been less body panels used to make these earbuds, which is definitely good, because there's less parts where those body panels have to be matched and joined, and that already improves the perceived build quality. As far as the manufacturing process and the level of detail in the way these body panels, for the lack of a better name, for those little plastic parts that compose the body of the earbud, as far as how detailed they are, I don't think much has changed. So I don't think Technics is refining their manufacturing process, but the very fact that there are less of them already improves the visual quality of these earbuds. So those of you who had a problem with that maybe will be a little bit more satisfied right now. Obviously, the profiling is very different. They worked on this a lot. Whether this is going to translate to better ergonomics in everyday use, I will have those answers for you very soon. Hopefully, at the end of this weekend, maybe Monday, Tuesday is when I'm intending to post my full review of these earbuds. I also took a listen because I couldn't resist, of course. So this is very preliminary opinion. I have to listen more carefully, have that in mind. And they are different. For sure, they are different than AZ800. I'm sorry, AZ80. And again, I just listened to a few songs, so I absolutely need more time with them. And my first opinion is, in general, I like AZ80 better at this point. But again, I just have to absolutely give this more time and do more detailed listening. I'm not sure I love this new driver that Technics is using in these AZ100. And that's mainly because I heard less detail on the high end. I heard less detail in the treble. I did start playing with the tuning, and these are the settings that I applied on the screen right now that kind of took them back to where I like to be. There may be also other factors in play. Recently, I've been listening to a lot of stuff that is rich on the high end and very detailed and very boosted, like a lot of IEMs. So that may be affecting my hearing right now. I have not compared what exactly these sound versus AZ100 yet. I just wanted to post this video today with those first impressions, so that is still coming. So I have to do a lot more listening to figure out what exactly this is. The bass is definitely different in these. It is tiny little bit more boomy, like that bass effect that you often get in headphones, because simply there's more space around the speaker and your ear, and that boominess translates to sort of being in like a more echoey room as far as your detailed experience goes when you listen to the bass. That's not my favorite kind of bass. That's not my favorite way of listening to bass in earbuds. But again, this is very preliminary. In general, this bass is stronger than AZ100. And this is just what I remember. This is without doing careful comparison listening, which I am going to do soon. But with the stronger bass, it also sounds a little different. And I'm not sure I love it. So overall, this is great sound quality. Don't get me wrong. The broad soundstage is still there. The instrument separation, beautiful instrument separation, is still there, but the characteristics of that sound are definitely different than AZ100. And at this point, I'm just not sure whether I like them better. So stick around, stay tuned, full review coming as soon as I have enough time to work with these, and I am very excited to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you soon.